me breathing exercises. करो क्या basically? For you. Of course मैं इकलौती बेटी हूँ मम्मी की. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sarve. You and I, we hustle together. This is my first vlog after I'm back from Ladakh. It's only been 2 days since I've come back and I'm breathing without the oxygen cylinders. Probably my energy levels are not the same way that they used to be. My lung capacity is not the same way it used to be. It's going to take me some time for recovery, and doctors have said a maximum of 2 to 3 weeks. Doing my best. I'm trying to exercise, like breathing exercises and stuff. I can't do cardio or go back to my workouts or any of that. So I'm taking it really slow. But in this vlog, I really want to start making new memories because honestly, I've been having daymares wherein if I'm just trying to rest, एक तो rest तो मुझे आता नहीं है. आप लोग जानते हो, I'm such a hyperactive soul कि I cannot rest. And if I'm trying to just rest and sit idle or be on my phone or something, I'm getting like flashes of my time from the ICU. And when time used to pass excruciatingly slow, it was horrible to say the least. And वहाँ पे ना मेरे पास network था, ना social media था, ना कुछ. And I just don't want to remember that time, which is why I'm trying to make new memories. So today is Friendships Day. So I know y'all are watching this after Friendships Day, but happy Friendships Day to all of you. Y'all are like my true blue friends, far away from me. The only people who've met me ever since I've come back, like apart from my family, is Purnima and Tamanna, and they wanted to come to celebrate Friendships Day. So I was like, तुम लोग आ रहे हो तो हम फज का बर्थडे भी सेलिब्रेट कर लेते हैं आज ही. Technically फज का बर्थडे कल है. Let's make it an occasion. Let's make new memories. And I can't do anything for him, honestly. I cannot do decoration or make a cake or any of that. So I've called a friend's sister, that is Yashodhan, if you all remember. मेरा जो deep cleaning हुआ था घर का, that I told you it's my friend's company. So that's Yashodhan's company. So his sister Hashruti has an event organization company, and she's coming over to decorate for Faj's birthday. Fajjo, you're turning 3. You're turning 3 tomorrow, 3 years old. तो अभी इतने short notice पे Hashruti, I don't know how much she can do. I gave her some Pinterest inspiration, but I really don't know what she's doing. We haven't spoken much because I can't speak a lot to people, so I take my own breaks and I don't answer calls whatsoever. I only talk via messages. I'll show you guys what my parents bought. So I wanted toys for Fajjo because उसने सारे अपने खिलौनों के ऐसी वाट लगा के रखा है. I feel like one old lady who's doing everything like slow. And if you know my hustle with Sarah is always like, come on, let's do this, but can't. Let's do this anymore, okay? इस बच्चे से अभी शाम तक तो हम छुपा रहे हैं उसके खिलौने till his party time comes. The first thing they got is this very like फालतू version of Captain America. So he loves soft toys, so that's the reason they got him this. And I love Marvel. Is it Oh, I think it's Black Panther. But then it's supposed to be black. What the hell? It's such a bad version of Black Panther. मुझे लगा अभी तक Captain America है. And they got him this Superman which has a plastic head. So I'm sure Fudge will enjoy chewing his head. And they got him this very cute bandana that says Bat Dog, which he's gonna wear to his party, which I'm very excited for. And they got him some treats. वैसे तो Fudge को ये सब external treats नहीं पसंद है, but he loves these chewing bones. So the smallest size mom got for him. And she bought him more treats. और एक ball है. Yeah. Are you excited? Who's coming? Who's coming in the evening? Look at everything that has come. Say hi to my vlog. It's Faj's 3rd birthday. Y'all can remove all this as like for women. He doesn't take time to like.
He like me also.
Yeah. He'll take some time. He'll bite it off, huh?
Wait.
Fudge, no. Bad boy. Fudge, you bad boy. It's called his tail and leg. Guys, you saw what Hashruti did and transformed my living room into. It looks so gorgeous. I wish I was like a little more hyped up on energy and could be more excited about this. Internally I'm very excited, but मैं translate नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मेरी energies because I'm feeling very like मैं नहा के निकली अभी just and I'm done. I can't even do the bare minimum of getting dressed. So makeup is the out of question. There is no way I can do makeup. I want to put on a bold red lipstick and feel good about myself. It's been so long since I've even done anything for my skin. Like Ladakh, I was initially taking care of my skin properly because it was so cold over there and I did not want my skin to dry out. So I had carried with me this particular serum because during my days in Ladakh, I was chumming. So that's when my hormones are out of whack and I get my breakouts regularly before my periods and during my periods as well. So that is why I was carrying this particular serum which I use specifically during my PMS and during my periods on my skin, and that is the Deconstruct Breakout Control Serum. Now I have been using this since my past 3 menstrual cycles and it's been very effective in not just reducing the amount of acne I get due to my hormones but also drying them out better. So right before Ladakh I had 2 breakouts over here. I'll insert a photo right here for you which have healed completely. It's been what, 2 days since I've come back from Ladakh, and last 3 days of course in the hospital I was not using the serum, but before I would get my periods I was regularly using this both day and night. The potassium azelaic diglycinate which is there in this serum is a mixture of both azelaic acid as well as glycine, so it inhibits the sebum production to some extent. The azelaic acid in this is specifically to reduce the occurrence of acne. So if you have a face full of cystic acne that you're dealing with and it's not just during your periods or before or after like I have, you have an hormonal issue, then I highly recommend you try this in your AM as well as PM routine. So what I usually do is I'll take like 2 to 3 drops on my clean skin. I have just come out of bath, so of course my skin is clean. Just about like the texture is very lightweight, like you can see it's clear, it's lightweight and it is not going to feel heavy on your skin whatsoever. And even with my hormonal breakouts, like before I started using the serum I would get like 6-7 pimples during my periods, not even kidding. But because I'm more cautious that I start using the serum before I'm like PMSing only, and that's why the sebum production in my skin is controlled. तो ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं आते हैं, एक आध आ जाएंगे, जो 6-7 आते हैं वो अब 1-2 आते हैं, but वो 1-2 भी by the time my period goes it gets healed, it gets dried up on its own very fast, so it does not leave any nasty scarring. Since it's a very lightweight serum, it's very suitable for all skin types. What I love about Deconstruct is they are very straightforward, no BS, no beating around the bush. They are straightforward with their ingredients mentioned on the packaging. The amount is also mentioned on the packaging, the percentage that they are using, how to use, everything is there. No essential oils, no fragrances, absolutely fragrance-free formulations, and you know what you're applying on your skin. Such well-formulated skincare, you're paying full value for money. This is about, I think, a 30 ml bottle and you end up paying $6.99 for this. I will make sure to leave all the links for you in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. I would also like to thank Deconstruct for partnering with me for today's video. कैसा लगा decoration?
अरे बहुत सुंदर है,
मस्त है ना?
First in water. Punjab.
Go mama, go out. Do the most minimalistic glam possible because I literally look like a zombie right now. How's the decoration?
Very good. Very nice.
Very nice. हाँ वो बोली मेरे को. Dude, I'm so out of breath. मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगी. उसको भी तो प्रेजेंटेबल बनाना पड़ेगा ना.
अंडे में उसको वॉक पे लेके जाएंगे.
मम्मी उसको वॉक पे लेके जाके लाओ तो फिर मैं मुंह पोंछ सकती हूँ उसका. हंस रही हो? हंस क्यों रही है?
उधर उससे क्या किया ना?
मेरे को हंसने में नहीं हो रहा है.
नीचे ईशान का कर क्या है? अब इधर पंच का करेगी बेचारी तेरी बीवी तो मरण हो गई है.
That is called nanny duties. हेलो मेरी सिर्फ तबीयत खराब है तब तक तुमको फज कर दूंगी.
पूरा टाइम मेरे से करवा.
यशोधन बोल रहे 8 से 10 लाख की गाड़ी ले.
मैं भी तो वही बोल रही थी, देख हमारा कितना थिंकिंग पैटर्न है. मैंने भी उसको बोला नहीं यार नहीं वो सियाज नहीं मेरे को पसंद है, मेरे को गाड़ी नहीं पसंद.
पूछ ही नहीं रहा है यार. तुमको तो कोई पूछ. हाँ अपन
एक्चुअली तुमको पूछ रहे नहीं हम.
हाँ हम लोग पूछ ही नहीं रहे तुमको गाड़ी कौन सी लेने की.
सारा उसको ना थोड़ा सेटोस्कोप से वो करके देख उसका वो लग रहा है.
इकरा को बोलना क्या मैं लेके जाऊँ? हाँ
मैं और कौन लेके जाएगा उसको वॉक पे. मेरी हालत है. मेरे को तो अलाउ ही नहीं कर रही हो ना. तुम ही नहीं अलाउ कर रही हो मेरे को बाहर जाने. My birthday boy has come from his walkie. Hi, birthday boy. Hi, birthday boy. Hi, birthday boy. Waiting for your walkie. Hello, my birthday boy. How was your walkie? Who's bandana? Who's going to wear new clothes? Chicken. Good boy. New clothes. Fudge new clothes. Wear for you new clothes. Ha, good.
Wait, Faja.
Good boy. So sweet you're looking. So Shalash Code. How are you looking? How my Fudge is a bad dog. He's going to have a superhero birthday. Who bought you new toy? Who's going to get new toy today? Who's going to get new toy today? Who's come, Faja? Who's come, Faja? Who's come? या जिनके लिए हम हमेशा रुके रहते हैं. बारिश हो रही है बाहर.
नहीं, हम ऐसे ही छाता लेके मजा आता है हमको.
मैंने क्या मंगाई खाने में? वो भी है, पास्ता बना हुआ है. जोईस भी मंगाई हूँ.
We have a photo session.
Yeah, of course we'll have a photo session.
You know what my
फज्जू. नहीं, किसका बर्थडे?
This is for you.
He doesn't care for.
You bought the mask for Punjab.
नहीं, मम्मी ने प्रॉपर्ली उसके लिए केक बनाई है. क्या क्या डाली हो? क्या रेसिपी है उसकी?
अरे बाद में यार, पहले उसको खाने दे, फिर बाद में टेस्ट करके देख लेना.
अभी आज फज का बर्थडे है, तुम इसको एक्स्ट्रा भाव नहीं दे सकती ईशान को ऐसे. मेरा जानी दुश्मन आ गया. अभी इज लाइक मेरे को भाव दो, कोई तो भाव दो.
कभी से दूसरे भाव मांगती थी, दे नहीं रहा. For walk, he wasn't ready to go because he was there, in the house.
Who's come? Who's come? Chotu's come. Pasta नहीं ला. Fudge is like, yeah, he's very insecure of Ishan. He doesn't like it at all when my mother carries him. Fudge is like, मेरे घर में आके तुम मेरे दुश्मन को उठा रहे हो.
उसका फ्रेंडशिप कराना पड़ेगा ना उसका साथ में.
हाँ, तो फ्रेंडशिप कराने के लिए तुम लोग तो हाथ भी नहीं लगाने देते उसको.
जला के पीछे उसको.
I'm like, nice, Baba. Supposed to like, nice, Baba. This about the other people.
अरे Fudge likes children who touch him back and all. Ishan doesn't reciprocate.
Socially disorder person.
Hey, just keep quiet. Yeah, Ishan is just very small.
And that he bit Anwar, you know. Badly he bit him on the toe.
See?
Why he bit Anwar? Why? What you did?
I never did anything. I went
Chal.
He took my chappal. I was like,
But Amanda's hand was on first. She heard it and she came back.
उसको हैरान करेगी तो काटेगा ही ना ब्रो.
Okay, you have to define what is Heran.
Exactly, very true.
It's very different for all.
वो सोया था और पापा उसको पैर से ऐसा कर रहे थे, तो सोए हुए कुत्ते को कौन हाथ लगाता है? Come on, Fajr.
trying to get back.
Time for photos. You want to take photos?
What's your happy birthday? I'm your grandmother. Come on, give happy birthday. Give fast.
Shake hand.
Good boy.
Shake hand.
Yes.
Tell us, यार. At least हमको तो एक सिग्नल दे.
We're not Fudge here.
Why are you putting us as a order? You literally jump from us and go back.
Good boy. Give him Fajr. फज्जूस केक, स्पेशल केक. क्या क्या है मम्मी से? मटन, चीज और टमाटर, कैरेट. ओ कैरेट है वो फज्जू. यो मटन केक. Mutton cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Minutes later.
खोल के देना उसको.
Hey, Masi. Didi, जो भी
Masi.
Did you guess what it is?
बो बोटा है. शूज नहीं देंगे. बोटा है क्या ये? क्या देखो नहीं मालूम. Basically like a बोटा है ना.
It's just packed very separate.
Are you sure it's that?
I
Because she ordered it.
I clicked the link you sent me on WhatsApp.
Check कर ले bro.
ला दे.
पीछे से क्या वायर है उधर?
I'll show you. ये exchange करना पड़ेगा.
क्यों?
बोला तो मैं ऑर्डर करती हूँ तूने कुछ और.
तूने गलत ऑर्डर किया?
नहीं, I
No,
literally.
no, it's proper. It's collar insert. It's written there.
What did you want to gift? You first tell me what did you want?
Opening Purnima's chat.
What did you
The
want?
collar जो पूरा रहता है ना.
पूरा कॉलर देने का
But
था.
the whole
दिखा.
collar is not there. It's just the insert.
We wanted to give. This is what you wanted to give. Then this is
Amazon
what
ने प्रॉब्लम कर दिया हमारे.
Amazon की गलती है. हाँ तो बस वापस कर दिया. I literally sent you the completely wrong product. They are giving me breathing exercises. करो मम्मी करो. क्या दिखा रही? Ifra physiotherapy does not agree. Neither do I.
This is not certified. Do not try this at home. Look at her. You should see her. Her expression is like, okay, fine, whatever. Yoga. She's like, you don't know anything.
मुझे इतना professionally
Kinda.
करो ना दोनों जन करो.
Expression is so good.
करो ना मम्मी.
Laugh to be also good exercise.
Yeah. Oh shit. लाफ के साथ हंस के साथ चली.
देख एक्सरसाइज करी तो चेन भी मेरे को इधर कस रही है.
नहीं आंटी ठीक. देखो इसीलिए आप विदाउट द चेंज करना चाहिए.
मैं पहनती ही नहीं हूँ. मतलब है मेरा मैनिफेस्टेशन था. मैंने कान
बोला
के
ना
नहीं
आपने
पहने.
हाँ पहन लिया.
जब तक मैं वापस नहीं आती थी मम्मी इयररिंग्स नहीं
फिर आज ही
पहने.
पहनी मैंने.
मम्मी इयररिंग के बिना रहते नहीं है.
Basically
क्या बेसिकली?
for you.
ऑफ कोर्स मैं इकलौती बेटी हूँ मम्मी की. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I know काफी छोटा सा vlog था, but because I can't go out anywhere अभी vlogs तो दो हफ्ते तक I'm trying to stay at home to just regain my energy back. And मुझे edit करने में इतना कुछ त्रास नहीं है. Like sit down in one place and do work, I'm good. But you saw today also during the party I had to take a break because time out हो गया था मेरा. Like I could not. I was feeling very suffocated. That is what I'm feeling. Like I'm running out of breath very fast. छोटी चीज़ों. That is the reason I had to catch up. I know कि सिर्फ 3 दिन हुए मुझे वापस आके. But I think on some level now I've not come to terms with the fact of the entirety of what happened in Ladakh. It was like running away from my problems. I'm like trying to get distractions. I'm not facing them up front and being like coming to peace with what happened with me. But I think tonight I'm gonna sit, write in my diary everything that happened and come to terms with the fact that okay, this happened and we fought it and we've come out of it and it's time to move on. And I think then mentally I'll feel better. Like anything that makes me, suffocates me, triggers me now. Like अगर मुझे ऐसा थोड़ा भी लगा ना कि मैं सांस नहीं ले पा रही हूँ, I get like I get that panic internally and then it gets more difficult to breathe, right? So yeah, I need to mentally get more stable to then physically get better as well. Tomorrow we are running tests again. We are doing my chest x-ray and the blood tests and everything again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really glad I could do this for Fudge. He was so happy and I'm so happy I could make new memories because all through today like I was just like lost in this entire happy zone. तो अच्छा ही लग रहा था apart from the fact that of course I could not speak the way and be the life of the party that I usually am. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sarah Squad shout out goes to Ashima Mathur. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video's Sarah Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, the bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.